Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Once again, I'm going to show you some of the best pictures that I have clicked with my Nikon Coolpix P500. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys, especially about this camera, the Nikon Coolpix P500. So if you want new tutorials from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to show you some more photos that I have clicked with the Nikon Coolpix P500. I hope this video helps you to understand the image quality and output of this brilliant camera. During the lockdown period, I got some ample time to go through my old stock of photos and find a few diamonds in the rough. And I did find them, and I'm going to show them to you in this video. Now enough talking. Go to some of my best pictures clicked with the Nikon Coolpix P500. So guys, I hope you liked the photos that I showed you in this video. In case you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which tutorials you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Nikon D500 sample images video, and here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Please go check these videos out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.